Hey everybody, I'm going to do a sandwich pour today this is just a small 8 by 8 inch canvas. And by sandwich pour, that's where I make a dirty cup and sandwich it between white. So, fairly self-explanatory. And all the paints are mixed with Floetrol and water. For my dirty cup, I'm going to reuse this. Whoops. This was, I just used this for a slice and swipe. It is Acrylic copper. There's really not much in there, but I'm going to reuse it because if any of that color comes out, it's okay. Because it is similar colors to what I'm using, but it has gunk on the bottom, so I don't want to sit it directly on here. The other colors I'm using are, what brand is this? Grumbacher Phthalo Gold, Grumbacher Turquoise Green, Raw Umber. This one actually has gel medium in it because it's still from way back when I did use the gel medium, and it's, yeah, Artist Loft. But even with that, it's still Floetrol and water to get it to the consistency. And then Liquitex Basic Alizarin. And my white is my latex interior house paint. So I'll start with, and this is a small canvas, so I'm not really gonna need much. A little bit of raw umber. Let's do alizarin next. With that. And I'm not using silicone. I've done it before with silicone. I want to see what it is like without. Ooh, that's probably way too much paint, but we will find out. I'm just going to use this cup. Looks pretty so far. And then flip it. Drain. Oh, the colors are really pretty. Now I don't want to, I really like that part. Gosh, that top part really, I should not have added it so soon. Let's hope that that comes back to how it was. And it looks like it will. I knew I'd have too much paint. Sure is pretty though. And I'm still getting cells even though no silicone. So this doesn't really look like an Ian painting, but it's a fun one to do. Let's see. Touch up these sides. So lots of cells and no silicone. Just touch up that side. Did I miss? Oh, no, it's white. I'm not really sure about this part. Put the lid on my gold. And the cap on my white. And we'll zoom in. So thank you so much for watching. This sandwich pour is just kind of a fun thing because flip cups are always fun, just regular dirty flip cups. So thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.